insist and ask the judge, we want to question these witnesses, bring them over to the United States. And so there's a great deal of fear about that. But in addition to that, Wolf, by bringing someone like KSM into the United States, it does raise a host of very difficult legal questions about what additional statutory and constitutional rights that a foreign terrorist might have. For example, would he have the right to file a claim under the Federal Tort Claims Act? Would he have the right to file a Bivens claim for violations of his constitutional rights? These are all unknowns.
I basically hear you saying
I think people have concern about coming here.
I hear you saying that you disagree with the Justice Department's decision today, Eric Holder's decision. You think it was a blunder.
I think that there are very serious challenges that I hope people within the administration consider very, very carefully, because you have to assume that various decisions, various rulings by the judge are going to go in your favor. And at the end of the day, these are very difficult legal questions. And what happens if someone like this is acquitted?
So you're worried about it, but you're not ready. Excuse me for interrupting. I'm just trying to get your sense. You're worried about the decision, but you're not ready to say it was a blunder.
Again, sitting here today, I don't know what kind of information the Attorney General has today. But I can tell you that there are a series of very serious challenges and concerns that we considered and thought about very carefully during the Bush administration. And it is for that reason that President Bush exercised the option to continue to detain him without charges.
I want you to listen to Congressman Joe Sestak, a retired admiral in the U.S. Navy who was at the Pentagon on 9/11, then worked in counterterrorism, what he told me today here in the Situation Room.
What better way to show the resolve of this nation than to bring them to New York City to see how their effort to try to destroy something has risen again, and then to bring them into that court system to show them the strength of America, that the rule of law will show them they were wrong and throw away the keys once they've been brought to justice. It's the right way to do it.
You agree with him?
I think it is consistent with the rule of law to try him in the military commission, just as it would be just consistent with the rule of law to try him in our criminal justice system, just as it would be consistent with the rule of law to detain him indefinitely without charges. Those are all consistent with the rule of law. The question is, what is the right policy for the United States of America to bring this person to justice, but to do so while protecting the national security of our country?
We'll leave it on that note. Alberto Gonzales, thanks very much for coming in. He's still in a military hospital. Here's the question, what the accused Fort Hood shooter, what is he now telling his lawyer about his condition, including the severe pain he's in?